What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can take screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up the Snapchat app, then you have to go to the messages. After that you have to open the conversation of the person that you wanna screenshot their messages. I'm going to do this person. So after doing so, what you need to do, you have to scroll down your notification panel, then you have to turn on your airplane mode. Just like this, you have to turn it on. After turning it on, you like this, you have to turn it on. So after turning it on, what you need to do, you have to screenshot the messages just like this. Okay, then what you need to do, this is the important part guys. What you need to do, you have to go to your profile and you have to log out. You have to go to settings, you have to scroll all the way down, then you have to log out from your account. Make sure guys you log out from your Snapchat profile before you turn off the airplane mode, so that Snapchat doesn't able to send the notification to that person because you are on airplane mode. So this is it guys, this is how you can take a screenshot from Snapchat app without them knowing. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.